Welcome. Today I'm showing how to link or unlink Google Assistant option from Power Key into a Motorola Moto G72. First of all, open your settings, then scroll down to the bottom and open System option. Here choose Gestures option, and now here we got double press to Power Key option. So tap on this option, and here we got Launch Assistant option, or turn off or launch camera. So if you wanna link your Google Assistant to Power Key, need to choose Launch Assistant, and let's try. Double press to Power Key, and how you can see your Google Assistant is activated. So now for unlinking, you choose Turn off, and again double press to Power Key, and your Google Assistant is unlinked. And that's it. Thank you for watching, leave thumbs up and subscribe to our channel.